We are live right now. Hey everybody, welcome back to Shop Shenanigans with Gingy and Friends. And Skully back there coming up from behind, you know, watch out. Today we are in here with Timmy. Come on. He's brought his Suey. Because, you know.
Unfortunately.
We want him to bring the Skyline, but, you know, he needs to quit breaking it first.
After such good ratings of our imports last week.
Yeah. You gotta bring more.
We figured we'd bring more in.
Yeah, fuck it, why not? So today, Timmy is going to tell you all about him and his car. His daily.
Alright, I'll try to.
Yeah, at least give you the rundown of the choo-choo. How about it, Timmy?
Alright, I'm Timmy, whatever you want to call me, so it's not late for dinner. This is my heap of shit. It's kind of a daily, but I never really drive it anymore because it's a Subaru. What's going on here is basically injectors, big turbo, fuel rail, a transmission that's on its way out. It's got flex fuel. It's got a lot of nice parts, but really poorly executed. I mean, we're talking, this is like slapped together at a truck stop, level of assembly. It's crap. But anywho, when it makes power, like when it actually holds boost and not braking, it's pretty quick for a Subaru. Yeah, dude, they're actually not hooked up because it's insanely loud.
What?
Hella horns?
Yeah, those are like $300 horns.
Yeah.
But yeah, this one's actually kind of just a bucket of bolts I tossed together because I thought, I'll just get nostalgic. I miss Subarus.
Sorry about that.
Yeah, sorry for the noise.
My garage door's a little loud.
Yeah. What else do we have on this thing?
I don't know, it's your car, you tell us.
Yeah, I put three rear diffs in it, one transmission. I have not blown up the engine yet.
Yeah, the back of that fucking wood, bro.
Yeah, it's got a Mishimoto radiator that I don't know that it really does much. I mean, you gotta have coolant in it to really cool it, but whatever. The turbo is an older style Garrett housing, and the center section's a newer unit that's been adapted. Still kind of a turd, but it spools up, like it hits full spool around 4,000, and if you're on E85, because it does have flex fuel, it'll put the beans out. It's kind of fun. It'll break axles. I don't really have too much else.
You got a catch can on her?
Yeah, I do have a catch can, and it does not fill it up, so I don't know if it's even.
Oops.
Yeah. It doesn't really have much blow by, which is kind of funny because this thing has seen 30 pounds of boost on ethanol. Like, yeah, it's boost spiked before, quite frequently because I'm a dumbass. Last year I was driving this thing every day, 60 miles one way, so it was like 100, it was over 60 miles. It was like 136 miles every single day for a whole year on a rotated turbo setup. And you get all the local Subaru guys, not to talk trash, but a lot of the guys that say they're Subaru ambassadors, but really they're just dick riders, that don't do anything. They say this can't be done, and
Boom, here it is.
doing it. I should probably stop talking shit.
You got that nice radio delete?
Yeah, this thing doesn't have a radio.
Yeah,
like it's straight up.
Weight reduction, bro.
Straight up, my ears are ringing by the time I get wherever I'm going. It's full 3-inch. It still has a cat, which is retarded with how loud it is because it still has a cat and a muffler, but it's just punchy. I don't know. We could introduce other cars I've got.
That was hopefully an inquiry.
I can tell them about them. I can't show you.
Yes.
We can post up pics later, but you have to subscribe to our OnlyFans.
To those of who
It's not free,
that
okay?
don't
You're
know
not getting it
us,
for free.
we are starting up fans only. Turn the camera up. That is wow high. I can't see. There we go.
No, that's the fun view.
Yeah, that's the fun.
Yeah.
view.
See,
We're talking about OnlyFans.
Yeah, there we go. It's starting with fans only. Subscribe now. Prepare to cringe. Oh shit. Okay. So your plans are to keep it, leave it, in a hole somewhere, or sell it.
This one, it's literally probably gonna get sold. Don't know what for.
You're a Honda fan.
I was gonna say we got Honda fans outside.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, nice car.
It's probably still faster than this. But
No, it just sounds faster.
yeah, it's because it is. But this one will probably get sold. Don't know what I'm gonna replace it with yet. I'm an idiot, so I'll probably find something that's
Supra.
broken.
Fucking Supra.
Yeah. I've owned a bunch of Supras. You know, there for a while I didn't have a savings account because I had Supras. But, you know, I'm better now. I'm recovering. Sound like an AA meeting.
My name's Timmy. I have an addiction.
I've got an 86 Skyline that'll fool people every time because when they think of Skyline, they think of something that looks cool, and mine just looks like a pizza box. You know? It's ridiculously
Actually,
clean.
you know, I have a few people that stream with me that would like to see that fucking thing.
It's all turbo noises. Like, imagine a Power Stroke, but more turbo noises. Like,
It's super turbo.
dude, it makes all the turbo whistle.
Because isn't that turbo that you have in that bitch bigger than most diesels?
No,
I
it's
can't remember
actually,
the size of that one.
that one is only 58 millimeter. Yeah. Yeah, it's average. It's American average, okay? Yeah, it's average size.
Average diesel size.
We have nothing to impress you with.
Yeah, it's average, okay? I was in the
Say
pool.
Turbo in my Cummins was a 58 turbo. Big deal.
Yeah. But
I think.
64.
Yeah.
It's RSX.
Yeah.
I mean, it's
That's a big fucker.
still a hefty size.
yeah, this one's this one, like the turbo on this is just a hair bigger than what you'd find on most 6-liter Power Strokes. The exhaust side is pretty minuscule, but the intake is dumb. Got the Skyline. I have a 69 Super B that's robbed all my money. I thought having 3 Supras was a terrible endeavor, but really buying a Mopar, you'll run out of money quick.
Super quick.
Yeah, super quick.
Super quick.
Okay, yesterday.
Yeah.
It's a nice bike.
Yeah, there.
You should have seen it, dude.
I haven't. You know, I didn't know you owned Supras until just like what, beginning of the fucking year.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I've had a lot of dumb stuff.
We know.
Like-
They know more than me.
Like, guys, practice investments in a savings account. Do not do what I did.
In the
Because
long run, it could have been an investment.
we've made an Excel spreadsheet. Me and Stefan both have made an Excel spreadsheet of what all we've spent on Supras in the past like 7 years. Actually, for me, it was all cars combined. Yeah, you don't want to know.
You have a nice house.
I could have had a paid-for house that was nice. Like, it's dumb. Yeah.
That's our life.
That's a game. That's the game.
Dude, like, a Coke habit would have been cheaper.
Easily.
Like, a fucking Coke habit would have been cheaper. But, oh well. Yeah, we have blown-up cars to show for it. Like, I've got this.
You know.
So,
Yeah. I don't know what else. I don't know what else to talk about. I mean, it's a Subaru. Like, you guys.
let's hear it.
You want to hear it?
Go ahead.
Dude, it sounds like a pit bull eating peanut butter.
All right. This is where in the video. This is the moment of the video where we need to take your earphones out of your ears.
All right, key headphone users.
All right.
Now we can. I don't know what it said after.
Don't worry about some of the stuff.
What was that, 5? 4?
Skyline.
Just blow it the fuck up with Skyline.
Yeah.
Either one. YouTube, my YouTube channel, or right here. Do it now. Fuck it. Full send, bro.
Okay.
Jamie boy, thank you, bud. Alright, we're gonna change things.
Getting top from your mom on an island and she throw it back like she played for the Giants. Hey, I catch 'em all just like Pokemon. I'm with your girl making films on my Nikon. Dropped a few songs and blew up like a rocket.